If you've ever looked in the mirror and thought, "What happened to me?" You're not alone. When your blood doesn't circulate like it used to, everything changes. Your energy fades, your strength declines, and intimacy becomes a distant memory. Your penis doesn't get hard as quickly. But here's the surprise. A common powder from your kitchen, baking soda, when used the right way, can help unclog your veins, improve circulation, and reignite the vitality you thought was lost forever. I'm Dr. Junior. I've spent over 30 years helping men regain their health, energy, and confidence after 60, naturally, safely, and without risky medications. What I'm about to share may challenge everything you think about aging. Because here's the paradox. The same product that soothes your stomach can also improve your circulation, and with it, a stronger, more connected version of yourself. In just a few minutes, I'll reveal a step-by-step method to use baking soda to revitalize your body from within. This simple change can make you feel more alive, more present, and more like yourself again. Stay with me until the end of this video, because I'll share an incredible natural recipe that improves blood flow and restores intimate vitality, even in your later years. It's a rare, little-known formula that has already changed many lives. Before we continue, if you haven't already, subscribe to the Recipe Tips USA channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the tips that help you feel stronger and more confident at any age. If this message resonates with you, comment 1. If not, comment 0. I read every response and want to improve for you. Why circulation worsens. After 60 and how it affects everything in your body and mind. I remember the first time a patient, a 65-year-old man, sighed and told me, "Doctor, I don't feel like a man anymore." He wasn't just talking about losing physical strength, but that vital energy that makes you wake up with drive, happiness, and confidence. And he wasn't alone. Many men in their 60s notice deep changes that go far beyond gray hair and wrinkles. What happens to your body after 60? Over time, your body undergoes natural transformations. It's not sudden, but a gradual process, almost unnoticeable at first, until the signs become undeniable. You get tired faster. Climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or even a short walk require effort that used to be automatic. Hands and feet stay cold. Poor circulation reduces blood flow to your extremities, leaving them icy even on warm days. Intimate desire fades. Hormonal decline and reduced circulation affect libido and performance. Simple tasks become challenging. From opening a jar to getting up from a chair, everything feels harder. This isn't weakness, it's biology, but there's a solution. These changes aren't personal failures. They're natural effects of aging on the cardiovascular system. Over time, blood vessels lose elasticity, the heart pumps less efficiently, and circulation weakens. The result? Less oxygen and nutrients reaching your muscles, organs, and even your brain. But the good news, you don't have to accept this passively. There are ways to improve circulation, regain vitality, and even rekindle the energy you thought was gone. From dietary adjustments and targeted exercises to modern treatments, medicine now offers tools to help men over 60 live with far better quality of life. Why nitric oxide is so important. After 60, your body produces less nitric oxide NO, a crucial molecule that acts as a natural artery relaxant. It helps keep blood vessels dilated, ensuring smooth blood flow. When levels drop, arteries stiffen and narrow, reducing circulation. The consequences go beyond cold feet or fatigue. Less oxygen to the brain, trouble focusing, memory lapses, and brain fog. Less oxygen to muscles, weakness, pain, and slower recovery. Less oxygen to intimate areas, lower libido and reduced performance. It's not just in your head, it's in your blood. Many men think they're just getting old because their drive has faded, but often the real issue is poor circulation. When blood doesn't reach tissues properly, energy plummets. Without enough oxygen and nutrients, you feel exhausted even without exertion. Sleep doesn't refresh. Poor circulation disrupts nighttime recovery, leaving you tired in the morning. Self-esteem drops. When your body doesn't respond like before, confidence follows. Over time, silent inflammation sets in, fatigue becomes routine, and mental clarity fades. No wonder so many men feel like something's missing, even if they don't know what. If something's slowed down, it doesn't mean it's over. The good news? Your body can still recover. Circulation can improve, and you don't need dangerous drugs to do it. Natural ways include boosting nitric oxide through specific foods and exercises, enhancing blood flow, with simple habits that reactivate microcirculation, restoring energy and vitality, without harsh chemicals, just optimizing what your body already knows how to do. The power of baking soda for circulation, a simple and scientifically proven secret. When I first saw studies on baking soda and circulation, I was skeptical. How could a powder used for heartburn or cleaning impact something as complex as blood flow? Real stories. Men who rediscovered their youthful energy. Carlos, 71, former soccer coach. It's not just about my body, doc. It's about feeling alive again, like a fire has been reignited inside me. For years, I accepted fatigue as part of aging, but deep down, I missed the energy I had in my prime. Now my wife looks at me the way she did decades ago, and that spark is back in our marriage. After just 3 weeks on the baking soda protocol, morning energy surge. Woke up refreshed, without the usual grogginess or joint stiffness. Faster recovery. Even after intense workouts, his muscles bounce back quicker with far less soreness. Revitalized intimacy, regained confidence, stamina, and a renewed sense of vitality in the bedroom. Critical warning, not for everyone. While baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, has helped many, it must be used cautiously. Avoid it if you have uncontrolled high blood pressure. It can raise sodium levels. Suffer from kidney disease. Consult a nephrologist first. Are on a low-sodium diet. Risk of electrolyte imbalance. Always start with a tiny dose, 1/2 teaspoon, and monitor your body's reaction. Key precautions. Safety first. Baking soda is powerful but must be used wisely. Ignoring these rules can backfire. Never exceed the dose. Patience is key. Some men feel a difference in days, but most see peak benefits in 2 to 3 weeks. Are you ready to reclaim your vitality? Note, this is not medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new regimen. Final message, your best years are still ahead. One thing is undeniable, you haven't hit your limit. Your best days aren't behind you. That fatigue weighing you down, it's not permanent. The slow recovery, the lack of energy, the frustration, there's a way out. And the solution? It's sitting in your kitchen right now. Your body can still thrive at any age, whether you're 60, 70, or 80. Your body remembers vitality. It just needs the right support. All it takes, a glass of water with a powerful, forgotten ingredient, a few minutes, 3 to 4 mornings a week, no drastic changes needed. The courage to say, I refuse to settle for less. Still doubting? Ask yourself this. The fact that you're still searching, still fighting, proves one thing. Your strongest version is yet to come. Natural baking soda, elixir for circulation and energy ingredients. 1 teaspoon pure baking soda, must be aluminum-free. 200 milliliters warm water, helps absorption. Optional boosters, pinch of Himalayan pink salt, electrolyte balance, 5 drops of lemon, alkalizing effect. Instructions. Dissolve baking soda in warm water. Add salt or lemon if using for faster results. Drink on an empty stomach. Wait 30 minutes before eating. Frequency, 3 to 4 times per week, never daily. Important, listen to your body. If you feel any discomfort, reduce the dose or stop. Liked this? Pay it forward. If this gave you hope, help someone else discover it too. Like, so more people see this. Share. Tag a friend who needs this. Comment. What shocked you most about this method? Your comeback starts today. Will you take the first step?